Good afternoon to all. Today our chemistry chapter name is Valency and Formula. Subject is chemistry, valency and formula. Let me discuss about how to write the formula of a compound, what is the valency of an element, how to identify. Already I have discussed. Let me discuss again finally from the book. Okay. Name of the chapter is Valency and Formula. Before going to this chapter, let us know what is valency electrons. What is valency electrons? The electrons present in the outermost shell. The electrons present in the outermost shell, the last shell, that is called outermost shell, in the atom of an element are called its valency electrons. The outermost shell is also termed as valency shell. The last shell is called outermost shell, and that shell also named is valency shell. The valency shell contains some electrons. You have to see how many electrons present in the valency shell, last electrons in the last shell, that is called valency electrons. You have to memorize the electrons present in the outermost shell in the atom of an element are called its valency electrons. Suppose name of element hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1, that means 1. K cell contains 1. The number of electrons present in the outermost shell, that is 1. A number of valence electrons 1. Yes, carbon. Carbon atomic number 6. 2, 4. That means K cell contains 2 electrons. Second cell, that is L cell, contains 4 electrons. The last cell contains 4 electrons. Therefore, number of electrons in the outermost cell, that is 4, no doubt. So, what is the valency? Valency 4, or number of valence electrons 4. Let us consider oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. The number of electrons will be 8, means first cell contains 2, K cell. Second cell will contain 6 electrons. That means last cell contains how many electrons? 6 electrons. Therefore, valency electrons is equal to 6. A number of electrons present in the outermost shell 6. Chlorine atomic number 35, mass number 35, atomic number 17. Electronic configuration 17 electron means first cell contains 2, second cell, that is L cell, 8, maximum 8, and third cell contains 7, 2, 8, 7. Total coming 17. Atomic number 17 means number of electrons 17, number of protons 17. Now the number of electrons present in the last cell, that is M cell, equal to how much? 7. Therefore, valency electrons 7. Now come to the potassium. The potassium atomic number is how much? 19. Yes or no? Potassium atomic number is 19. First cell contains 2, K cell. Second cell contains 8, L cell. Third cell, M cell contains 8. And last cell, that is N cell, contains only 1 electron. Therefore, number of electrons present in the outermost shell is 1. Therefore, number of valence electrons equal to 1. Now, come to what is valency. Valency means the number of hydrogen atoms or chlorine atoms, or double the number of oxygen atoms which combine with one atom of the element is called its valence, or the number of electrons lost or gained or shared by its atom with some other atom to complete its octet means to complete its 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Any chemical reaction is called its valency. For example, hydrogen chloride HCl, one atom of chlorine is combined with one atom of hydrogen. Therefore, valency of chlorine in hydrogen chloride is 1. Clear? Next, in ammonia NH3, one atom of nitrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen. How many atoms? 3 atoms. Therefore, valency of nitrogen is how? 3 in ammonia. Valency of nitrogen in ammonia is how much? Valency of nitrogen is coming this side, 3. Next come to the in methane CH4. One atom of carbon is combined with 4 atoms of hydrogen. Therefore, the valency of carbon in methane equal to how much? That is 4, because valency of carbon is 4 this side and hydrogen valency 1 this side. In sodium chloride NaCl, one atom of chlorine is combined with one atom of sodium. Therefore, valency of chlorine in sodium chloride is how much? 1. Just I am giving the example of valency calculation. Okay. Next we see variable valency. Variable valency. Certain elements show more than one valency, such as elements are said to be called variable valency. The name of the ion having lower valency ends with OUS, while that of the higher valency ends with IE. Okay, like cuprous, cupric, ferrous, ferric. Okay, ferrous means low, ferric means high. For example, copper exists Cu2 plus and Cu plus 1 plus. Iron also contains Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus. Okay, that means iron exhibit variable valency. Copper also exhibit variable valency. Some metals has variable valency. Basically, transition elements show variable valency. Now come to the copper valency 1 plus. That means cuprous oxide, Cu2O, cuprous oxide. These are the example. Okay, cupric oxide, CO means copper valency 2 plus and oxygen valency 2. 2 cancel, therefore CO. Cupric means more, cuprous means 1 plus. Okay, same process ferrous 2 plus, ferric means 3 plus. Ferric oxide Fe2O3, but ferrous oxide FeO. These are the example of variable valency. Okay, electronic concept of valency. According to the electronic concept of valency, the number of electrons which an atom loses, gains or shares with other atoms to attain the nearest noble gas configuration is termed as its valency. There are two types of valency. One is electrovalency, another is covalency. Electrovalency means the number of electrons lost or gained by an atom of an element during the formation of an electrovalent bond is termed as its electrovalency. The element which gives off electrons to form positive ions have positive valency, and the element which accept electrons to form negative ions have negative valency. For example, consider sodium chloride. Sodium atom loses one electron from its outermost shell, it becomes sodium plus. Chlorine will gain one electron, it becomes Cl minus 288, it will become. That means sodium becomes positive ion and chlorine becomes negative ions. Gaining electrons become negative, who loses becomes positive. This is the concept of electrovalency. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Try to practice this much today, and next day I will continue this chapter. Thank you for today's class.